Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today's video features a flight test of the Skydroid G12 paired with the CUAV X7 Plus flight controller. The Skydroid G12 drone controller is a cutting-edge product designed specifically for drone enthusiasts and professionals. With its advanced features and innovative technology, it provides an unparalleled remote control experience. The CUAV X7 Plus flight controller is an advanced autopilot system designed by CUAV. It uses the high-performance STM32H7 series processor, which is an upgrade over the previous generation FMUV5 flight controller. It integrates high-precision industrial-grade sensors and ultra-low temperature drift sensors, offering improved stability and reliability. Compared to the previous generation, it has better performance and higher reliability. This board runs the ArduPilot firmware perfectly and is also compatible with the X4 firmware. The products used in this test include Skydroid G12, CUAV Neo 3 Pro, CUAV X7 Plus, 450 frame, and a 5300 mAh battery. Pre-flight preparation. Install the battery on the drone, but do not install the propellers yet. Turn on the remote controller and connect to the QGC ground station. Unlock the motors and check if the motor directions are correct. After confirming everything is fine, install the propellers. Once the pre-flight preparation is complete, it's time for takeoff. G12 control experience. Sensitivity. The Skydroid G12 joystick is highly sensitive and can accurately capture control commands, enabling precise flight control. Smoothness. The control process is smooth with no noticeable delay or stutter, offering a seamless flight experience. Feel. The joystick has moderate damping, making it comfortable to hold, and long operation times do not cause fatigue. CUAV X7 Plus. The flight controller is equipped with the reliable CUAV patented shock-absorbing system, which helps it withstand flight vibrations. Even with large joystick movements, the drone remains stable. The flight controller uses an STM32H7 processor, with the CPU working at a frequency of 480 MHz, offering high efficiency. Flight performance. Stability. The drone maintains stable flight attitude, able to hover and fly along a flight path with good wind resistance. Responsiveness. The remote control commands are quickly responded to, and the drone reacts promptly, making it easy to control. In this flight test, the Skydroid G12 controller performed excellently, with responsive control, smooth reactions, and a comfortable grip, all contributing to an exceptional flight experience. After the test, the Skydroid G12 controller showed excellent performance with its sensitivity, smoothness, and comfort. Combined with the CUAV X7 Plus flight controller's high efficiency and stability, the drone flew stably with quick response, ensuring precise and easy control. Thank you for watching. For more information, please stay tuned to the World Drone Market channel. See you in the next video.